Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Botanic Tree Self Tanner is probably one of the most sought-after sunless tanning solutions on the market, promising a natural-looking bronze without the harmful UV rays. As a product reviewer, I've delved deep into its formulation, application, and overall results to see if it truly lives up to the hype and delivers that coveted radiant glow that consumers are looking for, making it a potential game-changer for your at-home tanning routine. Number 5. B.TAN Ultra Long-Lasting Self Tanner Mousse. Get ready for a revolutionary tanning experience. This mousse delivers a beautiful, natural-looking tan that lasts. It's designed for convenience and a flawless finish. Enjoy a gorgeous glow that stays with you for up to 11 days. No more frequent touch-ups, just long-lasting radiance. Achieve your desired shade in just 1 hour. This express formula makes tanning quick and easy, fitting into your busy schedule. Say goodbye to the unpleasant smell of traditional tanners. This product offers a pleasant scent, ensuring a comfortable application. Achieve a deep, dark bronze glow that looks like you've been kissed by the sun. It provides a rich, natural-looking color. Feel good about your tan with our vegan and cruelty-free formula. We are committed to ethical beauty standards. What we like? This product offers an incredibly long-lasting tan, up to 11 days. It also provides a rapid 1-hour express option for a quick glow. If you need a tan that lasts and want to avoid the typical self-tanner smell, this is a great choice. What people say. The mousse goes on smoothly and does not rub off on clothes. Within a few hours you can already see the color developing, and the result is a nice natural-looking glow, not orange or fake. I did not notice any streaks when applying it. This tanning lotion is amazing. It goes on super smooth, smells great, and gives such a natural, even color. No streaks, no orange tones, just a perfect sun-kissed glow. It dries quickly and doesn't feel sticky, which is a huge win. It is literally the least smelly of any tanner I've ever used in my life. The color is terrific. This is a very true to color, beautiful golden brown like no tanner I've ever had before. Number 4. USA-made natural organic tanning lotion. Introducing our USA-made tanning lotion, crafted with natural and organic ingredients. It's the perfect way to achieve a beautiful, sun-kissed look without harsh chemicals. Enjoy a flawless, streak-free finish every time you apply. This gradual tanner builds a natural-looking color that's perfect for fair to medium skin tones. Designed for both men and women, it provides a customizable tan that suits your needs. Get that healthy glow effortlessly. Our formula is non-toxic and gentle on your skin. You can feel confident using a product that prioritizes your well-being. Achieve your desired shade gradually with this easy-to-use sunless tanner. It's the best way to get a beautiful fake tan at home. What we like? This is a gradual tanning lotion made with natural and organic ingredients. It's designed for a streak-free finish, perfect for fair to medium skin tones. If you prefer a subtle, buildable tan and value natural ingredients, this is the one for you. What people say. The color is a beautiful bronze, not orange at all. It dries quickly and doesn't feel sticky. It develops into a nice, natural-looking tan within a few hours. Number 3. Beauty by Earth Self Tanner. Get a beautiful, sun-kissed look without the sun. Our self tanner provides a natural glow that enhances your skin tone. Crafted with care in the USA, it features natural and organic ingredients. You can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. Infused with aloe vera and coconut, this lotion deeply moisturizes your skin. It leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Enjoy a flawless, streak-free finish every time. The easy-to-use formula ensures an even application for a perfect tan. This versatile shade is perfect for achieving a medium to dark tan. Customize your glow to your desired depth. Experience the ultimate in at-home tanning. It's your secret to a gorgeous, natural-looking tan, anytime. What we like? This self-tanner features a moisturizing formula with aloe vera and coconut for a natural glow. It promises a streak-free finish for medium to dark skin tones. If you're looking for a hydrating option that delivers a natural-looking tan and want to avoid dryness, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The biggest difference is that it had very minimal self-tanning odor on my skin, which is a huge plus. The natural-looking, non-orangey color lasts a long time and fades pretty naturally as long as you moisturize daily. Compared to another, similarly mostly organic tanning product, I absolutely love that this has a very mild scent that is pleasant even, and dissipates. The color began to show in a few hours and then darkened even more overnight. It is a very nice shade, not orange or yellow, looks pretty natural. This gives you a nice color within a few hours, no smell, it's not sticky and I use the darker one, even with fair skin. It also does not make freckles and dark spots darker like most. There's no instant color but goes on even. Number 2. Botanic Tree Glycolic Acid Face Wash. Discover the power of gentle exfoliation with our advanced facial cleanser. It's formulated to effectively remove impurities and reveal a brighter complexion. This powerful cleanser works deep within your pores to wash away dirt and oil. Experience a truly refreshing and clean feeling after every use. Harnessing the benefits of 10% glycolic acid, an alpha-hydroxy acid, it helps to gently slough away dead skin cells. This promotes smoother, more radiant skin over time. Enriched with salicylic acid, it further aids in clarifying your skin. It helps to combat blemishes and improve overall skin texture. Our unique formula acts as both a cleanser and a scrub, providing a thorough yet gentle exfoliation. It leaves your skin feeling revitalized and smooth to the touch. This facial cleanser is designed to not only clean but also to nourish your skin. Achieve a healthy-looking glow with consistent use. What we like. This is a facial cleanser and scrub with 10% glycolic acid and salicylic acid. It's designed to exfoliate and brighten your skin. If you're looking to deeply cleanse, exfoliate, and improve skin texture, this is the product for your skincare routine. What people say. The 10% glycolic acid concentration provides effective exfoliation that has noticeably smoothed rough patches and improved overall skin brightness without being overly harsh or irritating. The combination of AHA and salicylic acid works excellently for addressing both surface texture issues and deeper pore concerns that cause blackheads and blemishes. The dual action as both cleanser and gentle scrub eliminates the need for separate exfoliating products. Number 1. B.TAN Ultra Long Lasting Self Tanner Kit. Introducing the B.TAN Ultra Long Lasting Self Tanner Kit. Get a beautiful, natural-looking tan that lasts up to 11 days. This kit includes a luxurious dark sunless tan mousse and a soft mitt applicator for easy, streak-free application. Achieve a professional finish at home. Our 1-hour express foam delivers a rapid bronzing glow. You can achieve your desired shade in just a few hours, without the wait. Enjoy the process without any fake tan smell. This formula is designed to leave you feeling fresh and confident. The Forever Bundle ensures your tan stays vibrant and beautiful for an extended period. It's the perfect solution for a lasting sunless glow. With 6.7 fluid ounces, this kit provides ample product for multiple applications. Experience the best in sunless tanning with this amazing value. What we like. This is a complete kit that includes a mitt applicator for easy use. It offers an ultra-long-lasting tan of up to 11 days and a fast 1-hour express option. If you want a convenient all-in-one solution for a dark, long-lasting, and quick sunless tan, this bundle is ideal. What people say. It doesn't have a super strong smell but it is faint. No orange Oompa Loompa color. Little to no color transfer to other fabric. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.